Hi there, Year 13s. In this video we're going to introduce sums and products. So in this yellow box here we'll call this product and sum rules, and we'll look at a few examples here. So let's look at example A. So it says 2 cos 55 sine 15. So this is where we play mix and match, and out of these things here we look for one that's got cos and sine in it, and we can see that this one here has cos and sine, and so we'll write 2 cos 55 sine 15 as sine 55 plus 15, so I'm just substituting these angles into here instead of A and B, and minus sine 55 minus 15, and so simplifying that we'll have sine 70 minus sine 40, and that's it. Okay, question B, we've got cos and cos, so this one here is cos and cos, and we'll just notice here that there's no 2 coefficient, whereas that does have a 2 coefficient. So we just have to bear in mind that if we're not going to have a coefficient of 2 here, then we'd have to divide both sides by 2. So whatever our final answer is, we'll have to put a half in front of it. So cos 10 times cos 20 is going to be equal to a half cos 30 plus a half cos negative 10. Okay, and if you think about it, we don't actually have to write negative 10 either, because the cosine graph is symmetrical, but also the order that they're multiplied in isn't important, so you might as well just leave the angles positive. I should really be writing in degrees for all of these so that we know that they're not radians. Okay, so for our final question, we've got sine and sine, so here's sine and sine here. Also again, notice that there's no 2 in front, so we have to write a half. So it's going to be a half, well, we'll write it out first, sine a over 2 times sine 3a over 2. So that's going to be a half cos, and this time again we'll write 3a over 2 minus a over 2, and then we've got minus what they get when they add together, so half cos 3a over 2 plus a over 2. Okay, so simplifying that, we're going to have a half cos 2a over 2, which is just a, minus a half cos 4a over 2, which is just going to be 2a, and that's all. Alright, so hopefully you can see there it's just a case of matching up your question with the correct formula and then substituting in. So have we go at 6.10. If you're finding it easy, make sure you go into the more difficult problems towards the end. That's all.